Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to continue the story, The Diary of a Young Girl. Okay, part 2. Part 1, I had given you introduction about the World War II and its impact on generally on Jews. Okay, so in this, I am going to just explain that what actually Anne Frank, the writer, who is the age of 13 and 14 years of a at the age of 13 and 14 years, she how she explains about her feelings, surroundings, and people around her. So, before writing her diary, before jotting down her thoughts in the diary, and she is actually giving us the background, giving us information, giving us intention. She wanted to make her intention quite clear that what is the purpose of writing her diary, because she was not having any friend with whom she could confide, she could just share, okay, her thoughts and feelings. So that's why perhaps she she is giving us details about the diary. So now I am back to the point that prompted me to keep a diary in the first place, and now she is going to she's trying to tell us that why she is going to have a diary. First place, I don't have a friend. This is the candid, confession that she very frankly says uh, the readers that I don't have any friends. So it is the diary that is my close friends, okay. And whatever I wish, whatever I like, whatever I dislike, I will just narrate all the things, okay, to my diary. Okay, in my diary, I don't have a friend. Let me put it more clearly, since no one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world. And this is the very candid confession by a young girl who is very blankly telling that this is very unique and strange in this world, that people will not understand, that perhaps like this is telling that a 13 years old girl is very lonely and having no companion in the world. And I am not. I have loving parents and a 16-year-old sister, and there are about 30 people I can call friends. I have a family, loving aunts, and a good home. No, on the surface I seem to have everything except me on true friend. Means, I think till here we had done. So she is telling that she has all the friends, okay. She is surrounded with so many people, but no one of them are supposed to be her close friend. And because of that, she is feeling very much lonely, very much, unhappy. And she wanted to have a friend, okay, very close friend, so that she can talk with the friend, she can share with the friend, okay. She can completely confide her thoughts with the friend, like this, okay. She is searching for, looking for uh, a very close friend. All I think about when I am with friend is having a good time. What is the good time? Is fun, frolic, jokes, okay, or any things that we like to just have a fun time. I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary everyday things. She is telling that I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary everyday things. Means she is telling us she is going to narrate about her own likes and dislikes. At the same time, she is going to talk about the likes and dislikes around the surroundings, okay, about the things and the place where she is living. Means she is not the central character of her story. She is not the central thing of her diary. She is going to narrate everything around her, okay. The things she liked, the things she did not like, okay. uh, Everything We don't seem to be able to get any closer, and that's the problem. Means the all people around her are not living close to each other, and because of that the problem is there that they are unable to communicate, they are unable to share their thoughts and feelings. Maybe it's my fault that we don't confine each other. Means nobody is trusty here, okay, nobody can trust anyone, and this is our fault, okay. So if a human being wants friendship, they must have uh, they must have to trust someone, okay, for better understanding, for better clarification, for better time pass, or for better fun and frolic. In any case, that is just how things are. Means this was the world war, okay, and the condition was very worse. You can just assume yourself in lockdown, that no one was permitted to come out. If they are coming out, they were severely beaten by the police officers. So same case was there. They were not beaten only; they were just sent to the concentration camp based on their, appearance, the Jews' appearance, the Poland's, just like in our case, is the Nepalese and Chinese. They can easily identify if they are living any part of India. So same case was there in Germany, okay, in Amsterdam. If a Netherlands or Jews were living there, they can easily be identified because of their appearance, because of their unique appearance. So they can't be mixed up. In our case, just like the Chinese and Nepalese, they will not be able to mix up themselves with Indians. Uh, so same case was there with them. So, and unfortunately, they are not liable to change. This is why I have started the diary. And because of that, means no one was there and nobody can confine each other. So this is our fault, and that's why I thought I should write diary to enhance the image of this long awaited friend in my imagination. And this was my longing, okay, this was my wish, this was my thought for long time, okay. I was thinking about this, and I was feeling that I must have a friend, okay. This was in my imagination, this was about this I was thinking, okay. I don't want to jot down the facts in this diary the way most people would do. Jot down means write down, explain in detail. She is telling that I am not going to imitate anyone while writing my diary. Hmm. She is going to means generally a diary is a personal piece of writing. Diary is a personal piece of writing of the past incident, okay, or past happenings. But in this diary, not only she is giving her own explanation about likes and dislikes, but at the same time she is giving the explanation and catalogs and classifications and everything around her, about the people, about their likes and dislikes, about their understanding, about their feelings, about everything, okay. So this was different from different sort of diary she is going to write. But I want the diary to be my friend, okay. I am going to call this friend Kitty. Kitty, as I told you, that Kitty was the name of the cat, okay, she had when she was living with her grandmother. So there was a name, there was a cat, her name was Kitty. So she is also going to name her diary Kitty, and in all the entry, in diary entry, she is going to uh, address her diary like dear Kitty. Okay, so Kitty is the nickname of the diary or the diary itself. Since no one would understand a word of my stories to Kitty if I were to plunge right in, I would better provide a brief sketch of my life, much as I dislike doing so. Now she is going to explain that if I will write my diary uh, with this name Kitty, very few will understand, and I would better means she is going to give her brief introduction about her family background, as I have already given you all. Okay, that she is having one elder sister, or Edith, sorry, Margot Frank, Margot Frank, and Margot Frank, the elder sister, and the father Otto Frank, the mother Edith Frank, and she herself. Four members are there in her family. So she is now giving her family background. My father, the most adorable father, means she loved her father. She is going to explain her relationship. Okay, I have ever seen, means this shows that she was having a very loving father. Did not marry my mother until he was 36. So this shows that he was a law of principle man. Okay, means very much. You can say that idealist man, means till he was settled. Okay, he did not marry, and she was 25. This was the ideal age for marriage. Okay, so my sister Margaret was born in Frankfurt, okay, in Germany in 1926. This was the birth of her elder sister. I was born on 12th June 1929. I lived in Frankfurt. This is the name of the place until I was 4. Till 4, okay, I was living there. My father emigrated to Holland in 1933, and now see how they migrated from Frankfurt to Holland in September, while Margot and I were sent to Aachen to stay with our grandmother. This is the name of the village area, okay, where her mother was living, her grandmother was living, and with grandmother, she means Annie Frank and her sister Margot were living with the grandmother. So Margaret went to Holland in December and I followed in February. And how, see, one by one they are just moving with their parents, okay, in Holland. When I was plunked down on the table as a birthday present for Margaret, I started right away at the Montessori Nursery School, and now they started academy schooling there. I stayed there till I was 6, at which time I started in the first form. In the sixth form, of my teacher was Mr. Cooper's, uh, the headmistress. At the end of the year, we were both okay in teachers, as we said in head breaking farewell. Means this is her background, and she is talking about the teacher, about her school, and about everything. In the summer of 1941, Grandma fell ill and had to have an operation, so my birthday passed with a little celebration. So this may be one question, means why she was not able to celebrate her 11th or 12th birthday, because she was her grandmother was hospitalized, okay, fell ill, and due to that, the family were unable to celebrate the birthday of Annie Frank. uh, Grandma died, okay, in January 1942. No one knows, okay, how often I think of her and still love her. This shows her deep affection and love towards her grandmother. This birthday celebration in 1942 was intended to make up for the other, and grandma's candle was lit along with the rest. Means this way, she wanted to uh, just celebrate the birthday of for 13 or 12 birthday, and one candle was also lit there in remembrance of the grandmother, and that brings me to the present date of 20 June 1942 and the solemn dedication of my diary. And there she received a diary as a birthday present, and after this the history begins from here. So now she had received a diary on her 12th birthday, and now she is going to explain about her condition. She was thinking about, okay, everything. These are the oral questions of the chapter. What makes writing in a diary a strange experience for Anne Frank? Why does Anne want to keep a diary? Why did Anne think she could confide more in her diary than in people? Why does Anne provide a brief sketch of her life? What tells you that Anne loved her grandmother? So this is a very brief explanation. You will write this, okay, as a homework assignment, and you will read this story. The diary has not started yet. This was only the background, okay. This is the only the brief explanation about her intention, okay, about his thought, about his about her family background, about her everything. And now she will receive a diary as a birthday present, and after this the writing of her diary will start, and you will see what she is writing, how she is writing, okay, and what are the things she is just thinking in her diary. So these all things we'll see in her diary. So till you just read this, okay, story, read this diary and do the question answer. I said that you all will just read this diary and prepare a list of words and phrases, but very few of you have done and shared, okay. So please do that work, very important work is there. So first you just read and try to find out the new words that you don't know, okay. Find out the meaning of the new words, okay, with the help of the dictionary, and then you send it to me. After this you will do this, okay. That's why I have given only 5 oral questions, okay, of the textbook, that you will write in short. Mm, Hardly you will write the answer, okay, in 20 to 30 words maximum, not more than that. But don't forget to do the reading part. At the same time, the word spelling means find out the words, okay, and then the meanings you write and then share. Thank you very much. All the best. God bless you all.